Hazrat Urwa asked Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha about Allah's saying, "And if you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to orphan girls, then marry such other women as seem good to you." 2, 3, 4. So she said, "O nephew, this is about that orphan girl who is in the custody of her guardian, and he is her co-sharer in her property. So owing to her wealth and charm, if the guardian wishes to marry her but does not intend to give jointure with justice equity as much as the other gives, thus it was prohibited to marry them save when they are dealt with justice, and they should be given complete jointure according to their status. And such people were commanded to marry any woman they wish except them." Urwa narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "After this verse, the people sought the verdict of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down this command, and they ask you your verdict concerning women. Say them, Allah gives verdict to you concerning them, and not which is recited to you in the Quran concerning the orphan girls, whom you give not what is prescribed for them, and turn your faces from marrying them. And the saying of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Yutla alaykum fil kitab, is about the former verse. If you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to orphan girls, then marry such other women as seem good to you." 2, 3, 4. And in other verse, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "You turn your faces from marrying them. Your inclination is this, that if you have any orphan girl in your custody who lacks charm and wealth, you do not marry her." So it was declared illegal to marry such girls as have wealth and charm except when they may be given full jointure with justice due to their turning faces from these girls. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2494.